Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a Lenovo laptop. The problem with this is that its hinge is broken. Because of this, it's not opening completely. Let's fix this. Unscrew all the screws. Open the back panel using an opening tool. Disconnect the battery, unscrew the hinge screw. We will disconnect the display connector. We will separate the frame from the display. You can see that this hinge is broken. Open the bezel. We will unscrew the hinge screws. Now I will recreate the groove for the broken screw. Tighten the hinge with screws. Fit the bezel. Also install the frame. Connect the display. Attach the hinge to the frame with screws. Connect to the network. Connect the battery. Attach the back panel and tighten the screws. Done. You can see that the hinge is working again. And we loosened our grip a little so that this wouldn't happen again. That's all for today. See you in another video. Don't forget to subscribe. It inspires me to make new videos in the future. Thank you.